Dissuade the obstinate prince.
Okay, the obstinate prince. Okay.
Dissuade the obstinate prince.
Okay, yes, yes. Now, today I will tell Swayam to read. Swayam,
Yes, sir.
read after obstinate prince. From here, the king also interfered. Come on, read quickly. Shanvi, you read. Yes. Come on.
Okay, sir. The king also interfered in the matter and ordered the astrologer to accompany his son for bathing in the Ganga. He gave him the best of his horses, soldiers, and
Soldiers.
all
It is soldiers.
soldiers and all necessary things. The astrologer was much afraid of the forecast and he thought he would die soon. Anyhow, they reached their destination quite safely.
Okay, okay. No problem. Stop here. Now, till now we have studied that there was an astrologer. He was very famous for his astrology, and he saw a dream that he will be eaten up by a crocodile in the Ganga river, right? So he decided that he will not bath in the Ganga forever. Okay, then what happened? He goes far away from Ganga river to which place to read? It is Marwara, right? He goes to Marwara and he stays there, and there also he becomes a very famous astrologer. Now there he meet the king calls him to his court, and he was very amazed, he was very surprised. Okay, he was very happy by the knowledge, by the by the things, by the beliefs of the astrologer, and he told the astrologer to teach his son Ashoka. Ashok is the prince, to teach Ashok two languages, that is Sanskrit and one second is astrology. Two subjects he told the astrologer to teach. One was Sanskrit and second was astrology. Now everything went well for 1 year, and after 1 year, the prince insisted the astrologer to accompany him to Haridwar to take bath in the Ganga. Okay, but astrologer has already taken an oath that he will never bath in the Ganga, otherwise he will be eaten up by the crocodile. Okay, but the prince, he was consistently insisting to the astrologer that no, you have to accompany him. And finally, what happened? The king also interfered in the matter. You can see this now. Sanvi has read. The king also interfered in the matter and ordered the astrologer to accompany his son for bathing in the Ganga. Okay. The king also said that no, you have to go with my son and bath in the river Ganga. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
He gave them the best of his horses, soldiers, and all necessary things. The astrologer was much afraid of the forecast, and he thought he would die soon. Anyhow, they reached their destination quite safely. So what happened here? The king also said that no, you have to accompany the prince to Ganga for bathing, and the king gave all the security to the astrologer. He gave horses, he gave soldiers, he gave all necessary things. Okay, but the astrologer was very afraid because of the dream that he has thought, because of the forecast that he has seen. Okay, that he will be dying in the river Ganga. Okay, but though astrologer didn't want to go, but finally they have reached the place where the prince was insisting to bath. They have reached Haridwar. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, Varnita,
Yes, sir.
read.
Ashok enjoyed the natural sceneries at Haridwar. He appreciated the beautiful hills covered by vegetation. He talked highly of the
Soothing cool breeze
and the transparent sweet water of the Ganga. He visited several temples and saw the
ideals of gods in them.
root of God's kingdom. These are men, women, and children dressed in clothes of various colors,
Especially the ladies.
especially the ladies walking to and for
To and fro.
the nature there.
Okay, stop. Okay, okay. Now, so what happens after this? How much is left? Okay, we will complete this chapter today. Okay, so what happens here? So Ashok, you know, when they reached Haridwar, so Ashok is the prince. Okay, Ashok enjoyed the natural scenery at Haridwar. Haridwar is have you ever gone to Haridwar? Anyone has been to Haridwar?
Sir, I have gone Haridwar and bathed in the Ganga.
And that is a very good, you know, the place is very beautiful in Haridwar, right?
Yes, sir.
That was a beautiful place surrounded by mountains.
Sir, there was a lot of crowd.
Yes, there is a lot of crowd due to the, you know, temples and Ganga river. Okay, so the thing is that, so you know, Haridwar is a very beautiful place. It has good nature. Nature is present in extensive amount in this place. Okay, so the prince, who is the prince? Ashok. Ashok enjoys the scene at Haridwar. The natural scenery he enjoys a lot. Okay, and he appreciated the beautiful hills covered with vegetation. And he was praising the hills also. You know, there you can find a lot of mountains in Haridwar. Okay, so he sees all those mountains and praised the beautiful scenery of Haridwar. Okay, and then he enjoyed the soothing cold breeze. Soothing means, you know, pleasant. What is the meaning of soothing? Pleasant. You know, that you like a lot. That, you know, it feels like it is very pleasant. You feel very good in that environment. That is called soothing. Am I clear? So he talked highly of the soothing cold breeze and of the transparent sweet water of the Ganga. Transparent sweet water of the Ganga. Those who have been to Haridwar, you can see that the water of Ganga is very cold and very pure, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you taken bath in the Ganga? Haridwar Ganga?
Yes, sir, I have taken.
Yes. So water is very cold there. Yes, sir. Haridwar. Water is very cold there, and water is very pure also. Okay, so you know, he also visited the Ganga river and he praised for everything. He praised the entire scene of Haridwar. Who praised? The prince praised. Okay, and he liked that scene. He liked the scene very much. Yes.
My grandmother has also gone on Haridwar.
When she has gone?
Grandmother.
This Kumbh Mela?
Yes.
Okay.
Haridwar.
Okay. Now, next what happened? He visited several temples and saw the idols of gods in them. He saw men, women, children dressed in cloth of various colors, especially the ladies walking to and fro and enjoying the enjoying the nature there. So, you know, the prince and everybody, the astrologer and the priest, they visited many temples also. They went to many temples and saw the idols of the god. What is idol called in Hindi? Murti. When you go to temple, you find murti, na? Bhagwan ki murti dikhti hai na aap log ko in temples?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So he visited several temples and he saw the idols of gods also there. Okay? And he liked everything very much. Understanding? Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so what he was, okay, then what he was doing, and you know, he watched the people also living there, the men, the women, the children. They were dressed in different colored clothes, and especially the ladies, they were walking to and fro. What is the meaning of to and fro? Anybody who can tell me? To and fro. What is the meaning of to and fro? Anybody knows? To and fro. Who can tell me? To and fro. Tanvi? Anybody? Sanidhya? Swayam? Anybody who can tell me the meaning of to and fro?
No, sir.
Yes.
What is the meaning of to and fro? Adhyan. To and fro means, see, I am writing here. Here and there. What does to and fro means?
Here and there.
And there. Okay, here and there is the meaning of to and fro. Matlab, ladies, you know, he saw that especially the ladies were walking here. Understood? Understanding? Understanding?
Yes.
Yes. Now who will read?
Sir, I am read.
Yes.
Sir, I will. I have not read.
Swam read, swam. So let's
Sir, sir. Now Ashok sent me to her ready for a bath, but the astrologer
told him
did not.
yes.
He would. Sir?
Read, swam.
Yes, sir. Take him to bath.
Adyan, you read. Okay, Adyan. Adyan.
Very much.
Adyan, you can listen.
Sir, the voice is not coming clear.
Adyan, you read.
Sir, from which?
From here, now Ashok ordered his men. Quickly read.
Now Ashok.
Yes, now Ashok.
Sir,
Where is the book,
cannot-
Adyan?
Okay. Now Ashok ordered his men to be ready for a bath, but the astrologer told him that he would not bath. Ashok instead him to bath after much discussion. The astrologer told him that he was afraid of the crocodile in the river, which might
Deviate him.
deviate him. Ashok told him that he should never entertain such idea in his mind. In order to satisfy him, he would order his soldier to be on guard with naked swords in their hands, while he would bath the poor to agree.
Okay, stop. Okay. Now what happens here? You know, now Ashok, who is Ashok? Ashok is the prince. Ashok ordered all his men to be ready to take a bath. Okay, but you know the astrologer told that he will not be taking bath. Why? Because there are much crocodiles in the sea. He was giving excuse. Okay, he was giving a lot of excuse. Okay, and Ashok, the astrologer says that if there is a crocodile, so it will eat him. It will eat them up. So he should not take bath in the Ganga river. So what does the prince tells him? The prince tells him that don't talk foolish, don't talk rubbish. Let us all take bath in the river. Okay, and he told his soldiers to guard near the river so that nothing should happen to anyone. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Finally, the astrologer had to agree because it was said by the prince. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
The last 3 lines. Aditya Bhatt.
So where?
Last 3 lines.
ये देख जादू ये देख
Ashok and the astrologer got down.
देखो मेरा हाथ चुप रहो
Told that he was
दिख रहा है
afraid
हाथ खोल दिया
of the crowded crocodiles in the
हाँ
river, which
मैच
might devour. Ashok told him that he should never enter.
Reading. Read here. Ashok and the astrologer got down into the Ganga. You are not paying attention, Aditya. You are not paying attention.
Astrologer.
Aditya, you read.
Sir, I can read.
Yes, you read. Ashok and the astrologer read.
Sir, I can read.
Yes, you read.
And
The astrologer got down into the Ganga for bathing, and in a few minutes, Ashok was transformed into crocodile, instantly devoured him. In no
Can the fate of a living being
the fate of a living being be
altered?
altered?
What is fated
What is fated cannot be abated.
Okay. So what
That's
is it? Ashok and the prince gets down in the river for bathing, and you know, in very few time, Ashok got transformed. The prince got transformed into a crocodile. Prince badal gaya, crocodile mein badal gaya. Okay, and he has eaten the astrologer. Feared the astrologer. It means that he had eaten the astrologer. Okay, and finally the astrologer gets to eat his food, and the astrologer dies. So what is written in the story? So whatever is written in your fate, whatever is written in your destiny, whatever is written in your life, that has to be, that cannot be changed, and that happens. Okay. Suppose if it is written that you will get good marks in your exam. Okay. And if you work hard, you will be getting good marks in your exam, right? Whatever is written in your, whatever is written in your, whatever left, it is performed automatically. Okay, this cannot be changed. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Stanvi, I can see Sanadhe, I can see Sunita and Arpit Singh. Your audio and video is off. Why? All switch on your video and audio quickly. Tanvi, Nivedita, switch on your video and audio. Quickly. Okay. Have you all understood?
Yes,
Okay.
Sir, what your voice